In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sponsorship messages, banners, and images on your engagements. To start, let's create an engagement. For the engagement type, let's pick Trivia Quiz and click Next. Here we can name the engagement. And then through this field, we can add a brand or sponsorship message with an image. And in this section, you can enter a link which the sponsorship section will lead to. Then we can fill in our questions and we can create the engagement. Now, when accessing the engagement, we will see our engagement with the sponsorship banner at the top, which will lead to our specified link. The entire banner section at the top with its full width can be used to serve your sponsorship image and can lead to any link you like. Additionally, you can upload unique images for each of your questions that can serve as their own unique branding images and can be different for each question. Finally, if your engagement has authentication methods enabled, you can also add a branding or sponsorship image for the login or sign up page.